Now let's look at different ways you can accept your online orders in store. On the left-hand side, you can see the Flipdish terminal. This is a machine you can have in store and you can use to accept and print your orders. I normally describe it like an Android-style credit card machine. It's very handy as there's some functionality from our Flipdish portal, which you can also do directly from the terminal. Most popular would be printing your end-of-day report, view and refund orders, or close your store temporarily. To the right of that, you will see our Flipdish Terminal app. You can download the Flipdish Terminal app onto a device you have in store and use that to accept your orders. For example, you can download it onto a tablet that you have access to in your store. In the top right corner, you will see the portal live view. Within the Flipdish portal, you can view and accept your orders in real time. This is really useful for you if, for example, you usually use a terminal, but it's been dropped or it gets broken. Instead of going offline, you can switch to use the portal live view instead, meaning you don't have to miss out on accepting your online orders. In the bottom right-hand corner, you can see the POS integration. POS, or point of sale, or till integration, is where you can have your online orders come directly into your till if you're using a system where Flipdish has an active integration. Lots of stores really like it as it saves staff time manually typing orders into the till. This can often save up to 2 to 3 minutes per order and cuts down on the chance of human error. Please do get in touch if you think this is of interest to you.